In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home or connecting with colleagues from different locations, changing your background in Teams can help maintain a professional appearance or add a bit of fun and personality to your meetings. We'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring you can do this easily whenever you need. First and foremost, make sure you have the Microsoft Teams application open on your computer. Before joining a meeting or starting one of your own, you'll notice there's an options menu where you can adjust various settings. Look for the small video icon and click on it. This section is where you can handle your video settings before entering the meeting. Here, you'll see the option to turn your camera on or off. When you're ready to change your background, keep the camera on, as this feature requires the camera to function properly. Now, once your camera is on, you'll be able to see several more icons pop up on the screen. Among these, you'll find an icon that looks like a small person. Click on it, and it will open up the Background Settings panel on the right side of your screen. Don't worry if you haven't used this before, it's quite user-friendly. On this panel, you'll notice a variety of background options available to you. If you're looking for a simple blur effect to keep your real-life surroundings out of focus, there's an easy-to-find icon for that too. For those who prefer a little more creativity, you can choose to use any of the predefined backgrounds offered by Teams. From professional office settings to scenic views, these images provide a nice change of scenery and can help set the tone of your meeting. Simply scroll through the options available and click on the image that appeals to you most. As soon as you select a new background, it will immediately change in your camera preview. If you're feeling adventurous, why not upload your own custom background? Simply click on the Add New button found either at the top or bottom of the existing options. This lets you select an image from your own device to use as your background. Keep in mind that the optimal image resolution should be 1920 by 1080 to prevent any distortion. Once uploaded, look for the image in your background options, and click to select it. After you've set the background to your liking, simply join or start your meeting as you usually would. The background you selected will remain in place until you decide to change it again. In this video, we've walked you through the simple steps to customize your Teams video call experience, helping you maintain privacy and add a personal touch. Thank you so much for watching.